Hey everyone, we are now here in the Dragon Temple, which is 1 hour away from the city of Bangkok. And yeah, this is so cool. This is actually another hidden gem. And look at that. Can you see the Buddha? And that dragon is up there. So nice, right? Arch, and they gave us here. You write your name on this red ribbon, and then flowers, and then make a wish and put it on the dragon. So this is the Dragon Temple. Look at that. It's literally like a dragon wrapped around a tower or something like that. So we're going up to see the head of the dragon as well. And yeah, this is so cool. And then they also have this thing here. Like if you throw a coin in the big jar, will be kept as treasure until offsprings. You know, like wishes and everything, which is also cool, right? Alright, so we are now on the second heaven, immortal happiness, everyone. So we're going to climb this until the dragon head, I guess, until all the way to the top. And you're just gonna climb this barefoot. So now we're on the third heaven, which is still immortal happiness, everyone. So yeah, we are literally climbing on that, what do you call it? Like the dragon that is wrapped around the building. And yeah, just so you know, this is one of the hidden gem as well of Thailand. So I like the 4 and the heaven. It should be 4. Okay, this is cool. The 5th.
And then some days they put a piece of rubber and turn this into a water spike.
What do you mean water spike?
Imagine if there was rubber running down here and then you pour water and it just had a slide.
Oh yeah, like it's like a slide-ish.
Yeah. Are you still recording?
Yeah. All right, we're done going through the tunnels, which is the body of that dragon, and now we're gonna go up, all the way up to the head. Wow, this is so cool. So I think the head of the dragon is still up there. But let's see the view first. Wow. See those dragons? Oh my gosh, that is the tunnel that we are walking a while ago. Oh, that's the head of the dragon right there. Wow. Ooh, look at the big turtle, Lovey. And there's another. Wow, look at the Buddha. Yeah, we're also gonna check that out. Oh my gosh, this is so nice.
Hey look, I wonder why they even need the boat to go from one side to the other.
Oh, here? Okay. Okay, thank you. So this is the head of the dragon, and this is where you put that to make a wish, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, this is so cool. Yeah, so let's make a wish. Alright, so this is the wishing area. So you have to walk around here for 3 times. And then you remember you will write your name on that red thing and you tie it here and then put the flower there, touch the beard of the dragon, which is that one, and make a wish. So yeah, this is so cool. It's so nice, right?
Wat Sam Phran.
This is so beautiful. I found our flag! Philippines flag! Mabuhay! Oh, this is kind of interesting as well. Like, look at the floors, right? Like it's made with hands. It's kind of creepy, but it's fun, I guess. Oh, this one is footprints. So footprints here, and then the hand print there. And this is so amazing. Alright, so we're now going to the big Buddha. I'm not sure if it's allowed to take a picture, but I'll try. This is so nice. You can also see the dragon on this view. And that's the big Buddha. Wow. You know what? I really love the temples of Thailand. Like it's just really amazing and beautiful. And yeah, so this is so cool. I have something here. Wow, look at that. And of course the Buddha is here. Right, it's amazing. Oh my gosh. So cool. So let's take a look around at the Buddha. Wow, so nice, right? So cool. It's literally gold. Yeah, so we also have dragons here. Wow, look at the details. So cool. Wow, so nice. And there's the dragon temple, which is so beautiful. Just amazing. Actually a nice place. And look at that, a big elephant. Like literally huge. See the temple looking right there. It's really nice. And again, the floor is made of footprints. Alright, the big turtle is open. My gosh, you can go inside the big turtle. So this is that big turtle. I'm not sure if you can go inside. I'm gonna, like, you know. Let's see. He's gonna go inside. So So there's that big turtle right there. And then there are boats, which is cool. I wonder if in the past this is like what they call it, like just a lake or part of the ocean or something. But yeah, this is so nice and cool. Okay, so we were able to get inside the turtle. So this is what it looks like. I have no idea what this is. But yeah, look at that. And yes, it's kind of like a tunnel-ish again. I'm not sure if we're allowed to go in here, but we're just gonna walk anyway. So maybe there's something in there. Okay. There's an exit here, so yeah, I think you are allowed to go there. If there is an exit, then okay. Wow. So this temple is actually pretty big. You know, like it's kind of like a park-ish. There are lots of footprints. I'm not sure, babe. I'm not sure if we are going on a wrong way because you know the footprints are up. I mean, are this way. So this is another Buddha. So beautiful. So nice. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Once again, this is Cez, reminding you to stay golden.